Dear students, welcome to Flying Academy tutorial, how to schedule your oral stage exam. In the first step, log into your LMS dashboard and then follow the Schedule Appointment for Oral Stage Exam button. You'll be redirected into our new calendar view. In case you haven't set up your time zone yet, you can click on the GMT text to set it up. Here you can select your own time zone so in future, every class, exam or flight in the LMS calendar will be in your time zone. After updating your time zone, you can go back again to the dashboard in the left menu and follow the first step. Here you see all your exams and available exam slots. If you want to schedule the exam for a later date, you can just click on the Load More button. Continue with clicking on your chosen slot. You'll see a pop-up with details of the appointment, and by clicking on the Book Oral Exam Slot button, you'll be able to select your training and exam. After selecting all necessities and clicking on the Book button, you'll be prompted to confirm the booking. In case everything proceeds smoothly, another prompt will appear and inform you that the appointment was scheduled. In case you have any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us at lms@flyingacademy.com.